Hey, what's up, traders? We are looking to the USD CAD, which is, in my opinion, still slightly bullish. But let's look what's going on right now, right? So we can see that the price is obviously dropping down in the past few weeks. But what's quite interesting is if we look to the utility data, we can see that in the past 3 weeks, the big players started to build longs again, right? So they build it from the 96, 102, and 114, right? So it's in this three latest reports, right? So as the price is actually ranging and even more going lower, they actually adding more longs, right? So if the price drop, if the latest report was in here and price dropped even lower, uh, I do not think that they are pushing it too much down with the shorts, right? Because if you look to the shorts, it's just around the 30K, right? Which is still just the 23% of the overall exposure, right? So we can see that in the last 2 weeks, they adding overall 17K net positions to the long side, right? So what is going on, in my opinion, is that we have this previous week's low, which we had this one previous week's low, which was taken, and now we have this previous week's low as well in here. And I do think that here on this bottom, where we have this order block from where the price has started to move up very sharply, I do think that we will see a reaction in here, right? So I'm bullish in here and just waiting the price to tap into this order block, right? Which is also in confluence with the big weekly trend line, right? So that I think that it could have a reaction also. So if we look as well where they've been building the positions, right? So we can see that it's actually in the latest three reports. So it means that if they're reporting the data in here, right, so it's a change from the previous week, right? So that's could be that somewhere in here they've been building a positions, right? So if they want to take a price lower, I do think that they will want to close these longs which they've been accumulating down here, and they would be most likely doing it above these above this previous week high, right? So I would not be surprised if the price will come above this level, right? If it breaks and continue up higher, that's for the future analysis. But I do think that now, as we have in this kind of a triangle, I do think that we will get a bounce down here and at least taking out this liquidity where is this nice balanced price range, right? So I do think that we will see a move up in the next week, or at least some kind of reaction down here, right? So I'm bullish for the USD CAD for the next week. All right.